Shortage of remdesivir, cause, effect, and what is being done about it. Remdesivir uses effects. Remdesivir is an injectable antiviral that aims to prevent replication of the virus. It was manufactured in 2014 to treat Ebola and has been used to treat SARS and MERS in 2020, and it was repurposed for the COVID-19 treatment. Amid a surge of COVID-19 cases, Maharashtra, Delhi, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh have started reporting a shortage of antiviral remdesivir. On Sunday, the Director of Foreign Trade in Ministry of Commerce and Industry issued an order prohibiting export of remdesivir and active pharmaceutical ingredients required in production until further notice. Remdesivir is an injectable antiviral that aims to prevent replication of the virus. It was manufactured in 2014 to treat Ebola and has since been used to treat SARS and MERS. In 2020, it was repurposed for COVID treatment. Clinical experience has shown it works best in mildly ill patients and in early stage of hospitalization. Late use has little effect. Of India's 11 lakh active infections are in Maharashtra, which now needs 40,000 to 50,000 remdesivir vials daily as compared to a peak requirement of 30,000 a day last year. The higher demand is primarily due to rising cases and also manufacturing and supply issues. Madhya Pradesh has complained it currently getting half its requirement. Around 70% of total production is diverted towards Maharashtra. The remaining 30% is distributed to other states. If we need 7,000 vials, we get only 1,500 to 2,000. And said Food and Drug Inspector in MP, Sobit Costa. Demand and supply. For 2 to 3 months this year, remdesivir production was negligible or nil. Last December, several suppliers and manufacturers were left with huge stockpiles. They had anticipated sales and scaled up production, but a drop in COVID cases in November-December reduced demand. Former Joint Commissioner of Drugs FDA Maharashtra, J.B. Mantri, said a few suppliers had to destroy expired stocks. From January, manufacturers scaled down production. Hetero Healthcare, India's largest manufacturer of remdesivir, scaled down production to 5 to 10%. Kamla Life Sciences, which supplies remdesivir to Cipla, stopped manufacturing from January 31 to March 1. Government had asked us to reduce manufacturing because COVID-19 cases were reducing and there was no demand. The halt has affected supplies now. Cases began rising from February, but manufacturing resumed to an extent in March. We need at least 25 different raw materials in production of remdesivir. We had to procure a lot of raw materials and our suppliers could not supply quickly. The cycle from production to transportation of remdesivir can take 20 to 25 days. Production scaled up last month. It will take another week for fresh stocks to hit markets. What next? The Department of Pharmaceuticals has asked all seven manufacturers to scale up their maximum capacity of 38.80 lakh vials per month. Hetero can produce 10.5, Cipla can produce 6.20 lakhs, Zydus Cadila 5 lakh and Mylan 5 lakh vials. Hetero is producing 35,000 vials a day or 2 currently. Zydus plans to scale up to 12 lakh vials a day. It has also slashed the price of 100 mg vial to rupees 899 from 2,800, the cheapest from any manufacturer. The MRP of other Cipla is 4,000, Hetero is 5,400, Dr. Reddy's Lab is 5,400, Mylan is 4,800 and Jubilant is 4,700. Deepak Cipra, CEO Dr. Reddy, said it is preparing to meet the additional demand. Cipla said it has serviced all orders and in the process to optimize supplies further. A Mylan spokesperson said, "We are closely partnering with the government to meet the patient's need in India and ensure access." Remdesivir is being overprescribed even for patients who won't benefit from it. Last year, TOP had flagged place. Overprescription has inflated prices. Worse, overuse can make patients resistant to the drug. Domestic manufacturers have been directed to list the distributors on their websites. The center has directed states to take action against black marketing and hoarding. It has advised hospitals to use remdesivir based on the National COVID Protocol, which lists remdesivir as an investigational drug with contradictions. Thank you.